As if reality can't get any more weirder. What's going on, peace and blessings, family? Welcome back to the Born of Levi experience on this Friday night, December 30th. You guys see it on your screen, man. We're going to talk about it real quick. Could birthing pods solve Elon Musk's fear of a population collapse? Scientist unveils creepy concept video of human farms with hundreds of transparent artificial wombs that replicates a mother's uterus. What in the world are these demons doing? What are these scientists doing? But we're going to get into it, man. But before we do, family, you already know how I give it up. Please, if you guys can, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Also hit the bell for notifications. Please help me out. It's free of charge, right? But let's get right into it, man. It's like every sci-fi movie that we've ever seen is now coming to light, right? So what is this? What are they talking about, right? It says a new concept video aims to spark a conversation about the future of pregnancy and giving birth. I mean, what's wrong with the natural way of giving birth? I mean, you know, a man and a woman coming together and just having a child. But we see the direction of where the world is heading, right? Traditional marriages and families don't even exist no more. But let's look at this article, man. It says a birthing facility that can grow up to 30,000 babies a year inside artificial wombs could solve the world's low birth rate. Okay, first of all, I didn't even know there was a low birth rate. It's news to me, which Elon Musk believes is the most significant threat to human civilization. Elon Musk, this guy. All right, this guy was seen sporting this Halloween costume. It was called Satan's Warrior, right? As you can see, he got the Baphomet on his chest with the upside down occultic cross. Yeah, we got to take information from this guy. It says the process would use in vitro fertilization, allowing parents to choose the most valuable and genetically superior embryo, which can also be genetically engineered. So if I want a tall baby, I could create a tall baby. If I want a baby with two heads, can I create a baby with two heads? It says which can also be genetically engineered to customize traits, including physical strength and eliminating inherent diseases. This is what they're getting ready to do, right? But they said it's a concept video. So matter of fact, let me play the video real quick. Let me see what this video looks like. As you can see on the screen, this is what they're planning to do. And yo, folks, don't even think for 1 second that this don't even really exist. I think they already have this thing fully operational. I remember in the 90s, they cloned their first, it was a sheep. So was cloning. Okay, so, but let's look at this. Let's take a look at this.
Introducing EctoLife, the world's first artificial womb facility, powered entirely by renewable energy. EctoLife allows infertile couple to conceive a baby and become the true biological parents of their own offspring. It's a perfect solution for women who had their uterus surgically removed due to cancer or other complications. With EctoLife, premature births and C-sections will be a thing of the past. EctoLife is designed to help countries that are suffering from severe population decline, including Japan, Bulgaria, South Korea, and many others. The facility features 75 highly equipped labs. Each state-of-the-art lab can accommodate up to 400 growth pods or artificial wombs.
Family, I don't know about you guys, but this is giving me straight sci-fi vibes right now, but let me continue.
Every pod is designed to replicate the exact conditions that exist inside the mother's uterus. A single building can incubate up to 30,000 lab-grown babies per year. EctoLife allows your baby to develop in an infection-free environment. The pods are made of materials that prevent germs from sticking to their surfaces. Every growth pod features sensors that can monitor your baby's vital signs.
All right, so this is what these Frankenstein scientists are really trying to bring to the forefront. Company named EctoLife. I got to look them up after this, but this is where this is going. Engineered or genetically modified, I should say, fetuses. And and with the concept, they can grow at as much as 30,000 babies. Why so much babies at one time? What are they really trying to do? Huh? What problem are they trying to solve? Huh? As you guys can see on the screen too, you know, I always cover this guy. This is Satan's second son, right? Yuval Noah on biohumans, right? He says we can hack humans. This is what he said, right? We can hack humans. Like, so let's take a look at what is going on. So are they working hand in hand? Who's funding this project? Is EctoLab and Elon Musk and Yuval Noah. And Yuval Noah is a known transhumanist, Satanist, anti-God, right? So let's hear him out real quick. I just want to play a little bit of it.
And governments wanted to do it, but nobody understood biology well enough. And nobody had enough computing power and data to hack millions of people. Neither the Gestapo nor the KGB could do it. But soon, at least some corporations and governments will be able to systematically hack all the people. We humans should get used to the idea that we are no longer mysterious souls. We are now hackable animals. Data might enable human...
He said we are now hackable animals. And this was a real event where he was speaking to hundreds of people about this idea. And this was in 2020 that this forum happened. And now fast forward 2 years later to the tail end of it, we have the concept for EctoLabs, where you can grow a fetus and you can genetically modify it, or as he stated, hack humans. I mean, listen, the Most High did tell us that we are living in some strange times and that these things would come upon the earth. But man, did any of you guys see this? Did any of you guys think that we would be living in a time where we would see stuff like this happen? Where they're trying to merge man with machine and growing babies in a lab. Listen, guys, like it's just getting weird about it. I didn't want to be on too long. I just wanted to drop this because I found this story so interesting. I had to share it with y'all. But listen, man, let me know your thoughts, man. Drop your comments down below and let's talk about it. Let's make this a conversation because, man, this is crazy. Once again, this is Born of Levi on the Born of Levi Experience, checking in again with you once again. Peace.